Hello. I allowed myself to be distracted on the last one, so I'm starting again. Okay. So, where are we? Okay. Yeah. Expert level. Killer Sudoku. We all make mistakes sometimes. Okay. So I've had to start this one from scratch. In fact, I think I've just started a new puzzle. I think I even messed that up. Anyway, so what do we do on these narrated killer Sudokus? I do a Sudoku puzzle. I tell you my thought processes so that hopefully it can help you if you're having trouble with these puzzles. So, number one, what do we do? Where do we start? We start with what I call simple ones, which are situations where you have a cell that is one box and has a number. We don't seem to have any one of those in here. Then I look for what I call fixed solutions, where it's a cell like this, which is 3, which can only take 1 or 2. 1 and 2 adds up to 3. And also a spin-off of that is where another cell has its solutions reduced to just one solution because of other numbers. So for instance, over here 13. 16 takes away 7 and 9, so it can't be 4, 6, 7 and 9. It can only be 5 and 8. The other thing is remainders. Every square has to add up to 45. Every line has to add up to 45. So you have a situation here where you've got 16, 9, which is 25, plus 13, which is 38, which means that this has to be 7. Okay, so we're looking for things like that. So where are we? Have we got any other ones that I'm not seeing? And this isn't quite officially a pair in this regard, but 1 and 2 reduces the options in there to 3 and 4, which means this can only be 1 and 2. What else? I'm just not seeing it. I don't know why, but I'm not. So what we do then at this point is we move on to situations where you've got 2 solutions. I'm going to have one last look at are there any remainders? Not obvious ones. Not obvious ones. So we're going to move on to Z, to where you've got 2 potential answers. So 6, 7, 8, 9 is one of them. 15, there's 2 for that. This one here, so this is not this with less 7. This is 12, but it can't be 7. So it is 3, 4, 8, and 9 are the 2 options for this. 3, 4, 8, 9. Okay. Where else? This here, definitely. This here. Two, 3, 5, and 6. What else? Oh, 10. Hang on. How did I miss that one in my old age? 1, 2, 3. If it's 10 and it's a quad, that is 1, 2, 3, and 4. That only has one solution. 2, 3, and 4. And again, oh no, that's not 1, 2, is it? 'Cause it's got that. So that means that is a quad, which means that this has to be whatever is remaining, which is 6. If that's 6, then this has to be 1 and 2. 1 and 2. If that's also 6, this has to reduce to 3 and 5. Okay, so if anyone knows how to stop those, would be helpful. So what we got left, this is going to be 9, 3, and 4. That's sorted. 3, no, 3, 4, and 9. Okay, so Okay, so what else we got? Okay, so here's one. So 9. It can't be 3 and 6, can't be 4 and 5. So all this can be is 1, 2, 7 and 8. So I've got 2 solutions for that. 7, 7, 6 and 7, 17. Okay. 8. 8 can be 1, 2 or 5. Those can be 1, 3 and 4. Three and 7, no. Okay, so let's if in doubt, scan. We want a lot to scan with. So 7. We know that this has to be 7 right here. Can't be anything else. So, and if that has to be 7, then what does that make? That makes it 15. This has to be 6, 7, and 9. If it's 7, it has to be 15, and we've already taken the 7 away. So this has to be 6 and 9, which means this can't be 3 and 9. This has to be 4 and 8. Which means that that has to be 3. This has to be 4. So that means that's 1 and 2. Excellent. Okay. We're back. 1, 2, 3, 4. This has got to be a 5 now. That's a 5. Then this has to be 1 and 2. What else? Okay. This is now a remainder. From the looks of it, 16 plus 4 plus 16 is 36 plus 3, 39. So this has to be a 6. 9, so that's 7 and so that's 3 and 4. That has to be 9. 1, 2, 6, 7. Okay, this should sort it out, shouldn't it? So 1, 2, so this has to be a 3. 3 and 3. Then we've got 4, then we've got 5, and then we've got 8. Which means that this is 4, and this is 8. So this is 3 and 2 and 1 and 2. Okay, so this up here, this has to be 5 and 7. Because it can't be 4 and 8, can't be 3 and 9. So this is 5 and 7. 5 and 7. This is a bit of a grafty one, this one. So this is 6 and 8. So that means this can't be 6 and 8, can it? Also can't be 7. So this is 9. And this is 6. 1, 2. So if that's 6 and 8, what does that make this? 1, 2, 3. This makes this 4. So this is 12. Okay, let's nail this one. This one should be easy now. Can't be 2, can't be 3, can't be 6 and 8. So that means it can't be 2, 3 or 4. That means this is 1 and 9. 1 and 9. So this can't be 1. Actually, this has to be 2, doesn't it? This is 7. So that means that's 1. And that's 2. So 1, 2, 3. So this is 4, 6, and 8. So 4 has to go here. This is going to be 6 and 8. 6 and 8. 3 and 4. Okay. Where were we? So 4 and 8. Okay, looking along here, so 6 and 8. So here it's 12. 12, so 3, 5, 7 and 9 is what's left. And something else. 1. 1. 1 can't go in there, so 1 has to go here. This is 8. Should be able to work out what's on the bottom here. So 1, 2, 3. So it's got to be a 4. 4 and it's 4 and 5. Okay, so this is going to be 4 and 5, which means that's 9, which means this has to be 7. Aha! Three, 5, and 7, which means that this has to be 3 and 9 at the top. 7. So that's 3 and 9. Well, we've got 2 whole lines done. 2 whole bands is what I mean. Okay, so what's next? Going downwards, I guess. So, okay, one thing we can see straight away. 2 and 4 means that this has to be 1 and 6. Can't be 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's got to be 1 and 6. Means that this up here becomes 8, 6, 5, 8. If this is 1 and 6, it also can't be 3 and 4. So this has to be 2 and 5. 2 and 5, which means that this is 1, this is 9, this is 1, and this is 2. Means we should be able to solve this. 1, 2, so yeah, it's 3 and 7. So what's going down here? So 1, 2, 3, so 4. Then 5. No, it can't be 5, 6, 7. It's 8 and 9. 8 and 9. 8 and 9. We should be able to work out roughly what's going to go in here as well. But we've also got... Okay, so could this be 1? Maybe, yep. Could this be 1? Yep. 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 6 and 9. Could this be 6? Yes. Could it be 9? Yes. So 6 and 9, which make this 4 and 7. Could this be 6 and 9? Yep, I think so. Could this be 6 and 9? Now, this is where we're going to work it out. Bit of mathematics. So if this is 1, that has to be 8 and 9. If this is 6, this is 4 and 8. If it's 9, then this has to add up to 9. This can't be 9. So it's either 8 and 9 in here, or I'll say the other one 6 was 4 and 8. So if that's 8 has to definitely be in here. Can't be there. So okay, I think it's going to be easier to try and work this one out. So 15, 6, so yeah, 15. So 21 minus 6, 15, plus 14, 29. 29 plus 9, 9 is 38. So this is going to be 7. This is going to be 4. This is going to be 9. 8. So 1, 9, 4, and 6. So if that's 4, then that's a 9. If that's 9, that's 1, that's a 6. So this has to be 10. So this has to be a 7. And then that allows us to clear this up ahead. 7. Now what else we got? So this is 11. 11. So it can't be 4 and 7. Can't be 2 and 9. So it's 3 and 8 and 5 and 6. Can't be 5 and 6, it has to be 3 and 8. It has to be this way round because of that 8 over there. So then that means that this is 1, 3, this is 2 and 5 in this order. Okay, so how much further? Okay, 9. So 9 can't be 2 and 7, can't be 3 and 6, can't be 4 and 5. So this has to be 1 and 8. And it is in this order based on scanning. So that means that this is 6, this is 1. This is 4, this is 9. No, 6, 1. Tons of keying errors on the last one. Didn't actually mess it up, just miskeyed repeatedly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is a 9. Excuse me. This is 8. Okay, so where are we? So if this is 6 and 9, that means this is remainder 6. Can't be 1 and 5, it's going to be 2 and 4. So this is 2 and 4. This is going to sort this bit out at the top. 4, 3, 5, 5, 2. That means it leaves 3, 5, and 6. So 6 has to go in here. 5 has to go in here. And 3 has to go in here. Done it! Woohoo! I solved 4 puzzles today. That's 1 more than yesterday. But I have no winning streak because I messed the last one up so badly. Anyway, so, yeah, that one didn't have any obvious ones really to start. So, grafted our way through. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that one. Hope you got something out of that one. And I'll catch you on the next one.